Mead Home and Horse Barn is an incredible 11.23-acre estate located just north of Mead, Colorado. This unique property offers everything one would want in comfortable country living. The property features a beautiful 3,400 square foot home, 6-stall horse barn, 4-bay garage, outdoor arena, hayfields, and much more. Located just 2 miles northeast of Mead and 9 miles north of Longmont, this property boasts a great location, scenic mountain views, and good privacy, all within nearby services and amenities. The gorgeous 1934 Cape Cod-style farmhouse has been completely updated and features a stunning 3 full-story layout with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The home boasts multiple windows for great natural lighting, original oak hardwood flooring, a cozy wood-burning fireplace, nice open-concept floor plan, and a wraparound porch perfect for entertaining or enjoying the surrounding views. The entire property has been impeccably landscaped and features multiple trees, good grass, and quality split-rail fencing. Situated just south of the house is the hay shed, garage, and horse barn. All 3 improvement structures match in color and design, offering an overall aesthetic appeal. Perhaps one of the greatest features of this property is its excellent equestrian amenities. The 1,296 square foot horse barn has 6 stalls, 3 paddocks, rubber flooring, and tack storage, with a couple of fenced turnouts to the sides, and a large fenced horse pasture to the south. The large outdoor arena spans 133 feet by 320 feet with rubber and sand footing, in addition to a return alley and roping chutes. The property also boasts welded pipe corrals and productive flood-irrigated hayfields. This is truly a fully functional, well-balanced, must-see property. From its beautiful home, numerous improvements, great location, and charming appeal, Mead Home and Horse Barn is a wonderful and rare offering. For more information, please contact Seth Hayden at 970-692-6321.